Welcome back, guys. This is Chef Demoy cooking, and this is just the beginning of the night, the breakfast. This is how we prepare, seasoned and marinate our jerk chicken. And what I have done is blend the season, blend the ginger, scallion, the pepper, pimento, alongside use a little ketchup, and I also use ground season, the jerk sauce, all purpose chicken season. And this is Chef Demoy, and this is just a tip on how we prepare our stuff from overnight for the breakfast, the dinner. And right here in this dish I have saltfish, which is boiled, and I'm just gonna pick it up from overnight. Pre-preparation. Yes. So I hope you guys be ready, because I have something to show you on the grill. I'm gonna grill some of these chicken alongside with festival. You're gonna see all of that in the video to come. This is just a preview on what's gonna happen tomorrow, so just be ready. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, hit that bell notification. Chef Demoy cooking. Chef Demoy always present some of the great recipe, easy way of cooking. Yes, and most tasty, because I don't drop on season whenever I'm doing stuff. I don't use less season, I just use most of those ground season, the scallion and the pepper. Those are the flavors in food, so those give you a lot of balancing when you're cooking, so that you don't have to use a lot of the salt and the all-purpose and the chicken spice. Yes, so Chef Demoy cooking. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. This is Chef Demoy. Be ready. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy the video, even though I'm just talking right now. Yes, this is what the dinner look like, and we are just here greasing the grill. You can see this is for the jerk chicken back, and you're gonna see how we do the jerk chicken back. We have to grease the whole jerk pan itself. It's already light, as you can see. Yes, this is Chef Demoy cooking. Stay tuned and watch this video.
No, flash out.
That video? This is how we line our jerk grill with the chicken back. This now, we are gonna use it to glaze the chicken, brush over the chicken while it's jerking, alongside with a red stripe there. this is how it looks in the grill right now. You're gonna see the process while it jerk. Yes, continue watching. Right here now is the festival dough, and we have used coconut milk, sugar, flour alongside with baking powder and salt to combine this with some ice water. And this is how the festival dough looks. As you see, it rises as long as you cover it and you allow the dough to relax. This is Chef Demoy cooking. Continue watch the video. Moist jerk. Yes, so right now we are just gonna add dry flour to this moist festival dough. Yes, hope you guys watch. This is how we make the festival. Notice when I dip my finger in it, it just come off clean. Chef Demoy cooking. Dry flour again, just to bring this festival dough right together perfectly. It's already relaxed enough now and ready to fry. Alright, so this is the festival in the pot. So we put the festival in the pot. Time to glaze the chicken to ensure that the chicken stays moist. Video no man. Can shot so. Make sure say na video that you know. But no, this is what we do on the weekend, you know. The breakfast, the dinner, and this is the dinner right now. Yes. Chef Demoy cooking. Here we have a red stripe beer, and we just spray the chicken back with the red stripe beer. Thank you all for watching. Chef Demoy cooking. Continue watch the video. Yes, right there, right now is the festivals in the pot right here. I'm just barely. I have the heat on the lowest which is minimum. So I'm just gonna crack the heat to medium flame right now to get it going in a much faster motion. Chef Demoy cooking. Continue watch the video. Thank you all for watching.